Sir, hindi ba rin naman ando na yung problema, pero ang Kongreso hindi umandar. Tapos aangal sila pag may umandar. Eh di sana gumawa sila ng batas.
Kaya nga, so, what is she?
Congressman.
Congresswoman.
What are you doing?
Kahit habang nag-criticize siya, wala pa ring galaw dun sa Kongreso. Either way, to outlaw it or to legitimize it.
So, soldado ka ng gobyerno, magtrabaho ka naman. Do not just ever be complaining about the mess that we are in. This is not a perfect country. So, every now and then, there's always a wrongdoing. Kasi yung sugal naman, wrong talaga yan. It is only legal, but it's still wrong. Kumikita ang gobyerno, it's regulated so that it will not proliferate and makontrol mo that it cannot affect the whole of the community. Mga bata, at saka you limit it to persons who can, afford it. Like the casino, hindi naman lahat pumapasok dyan eh. Pumapasok ng mga casino yung mga pera. I believe that when you start to complain, look into the larger picture. Huwag masyadong, ang mahirap kasi yung you are a myopic creature. Yan ang nangyayari dyan.